Hello my people, how are you? In this video we will see how to recover photos permanently deleted from an iPhone years ago. The first and the most important pass is go to the search this in Google. And next, here's a step-by-step approach. Step 1. Check iCloud.com, best chance without backup. Open a web browser or any device and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID, click on Photos, then look in the recently deleted album in the sidebar. You might need to click the three dots icon to rebuild it. If you find them, select and download them. This works if iCloud sync was on and the deletion didn't immediately propagate to iCloud. Step 2. Restore from an old backup, most reliably if available. iCloud backup. Go to Settings, your name, select iCloud, and next iCloud backup. If you see a backup from before the photos were deleted, you can try restoring your entire iPhone from that backup. This array current data. iTunes Finder backup. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open Finder Mac or iTunes, Windows, select your device and choose Return Backup, picking an old backup date. Step 3. What if no backup exists? Lower success rate. Professional tools. Use with extreme caution. Apps like Dr. Phone, is UAs, or Jigbei claim to escape from romance, but success for years old. Overwriting data is very low and they can potentially damage your data or privacy. Data is likely gone. If photos were empty from the recent delete album years ago and no backup exists, the data sectors on your phone have likely been overwritten with new files, making recovery nearly impossible. Well, that's all, everything, everyone. I invite you to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed, and most importantly, share it with your friends. Until next time.